Hey y'all, I am out here today. It's about 7:30 at night. We're still in the 90s, and I talked Tommy into removing this old window unit. We no longer need it. It's the last one that we have here. At this point, we were only keeping it for the white noise, and we found a fan that will give us plenty of white noise so we can still sleep. So this is coming out today so that we can replace this window and get this back wall redone because it's ugly. Just one of the many things on this house that we have to completely redo. That's what happens when you get a cottage for $50,000. So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you. This is the window unit. This is some of the stuff on the wall that I'm talking about. Needs to be replaced. And we no longer need it because we had a new unit put in a year ago. So we don't need window units anymore. So we're gonna get this monstrosity out of this window today. Here it is from the inside. Takes up this whole window here. And as you can see, the moisture causes the paneling to bleed. We have not murdered anyone in here. So this is why I'm looking forward to getting this out of here so we can get back to having a normal bedroom. Here's the fan that we are now using as our white noise. How many screws are holding it in on the inside?
4. Keep this from
Just for the
being able to open them.
Is there a spider, honey?
You know how I feel about spiders.
It's only been in there 5 years. You don't remember how it went in? Look. Just powder.
I still probably got one stuck in there. I don't know if I can get it. Maybe.
There's still a screw on the inside.
Yeah.
The whole thing should come out. Since we're not trying to save it.
No. It's got screws on the inside. Yes.
That are screwed to the windowsill.
Yes, baby. break it.
Sorry, broken. Let me pull this off.
You really need to pull it off. It's water, baby.
Maybe help.
Just kind of keep that out of my way so I don't trip on it.
On top.
Move, please! Move! Thank you.
Would you like me to help you carry it outside?
It's going right there.
Oh, it's going out the window? Telling me 2 screws are holding that heavy thing in?
I think.
Huh?
I think.
No, I was just like, huh, like imagine that. It's gone.
You have to get your fancy vacuum. It's galore right there.
Yes, I'll be washing the curtains and cleaning the window tomorrow. That's the next phase.
You want to go move the wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
Please?
Raise the window up all the way.
It won't stay up all the way.
Oh, you want me to hold it?
You like, yes.
Will you squish my fingers?
Huh?
You won't squish my fingers or toes?
No, baby. Not intentionally. Your toes, just when I get it up there, you'll have to move.
Just let me know when you're gonna drop it.
Move. Move.
Oops. Funny thing is somebody's gonna think it still works and take it. So basically we have to get some of this not so interesting stuff done and out of the way so we can move on to bigger and better things. I have hated the backside of this house since we bought it and have really been looking forward to getting this fixed, changed, better. Now we can move on. We're going to start with replacing these windows. All the windows are getting replaced, which, as you can see, is way past time. It's one of the many things we have to do. I was a realtor for almost 10 years, and despite all of the work we have to do on this money pit, I still say it was a very good purchase. So glad to have that thing out finally so we can get started on this back wall. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.